Welcome back to our channel. Today's session I am going to discuss about 1:4 demultiplexer using behavioral model program. So before I start to write the program, first I recall the term demultiplexer. So what is demultiplexer? De-mux in the sense one input is converted into many outputs. So it's called as a de-mux. So here input is I. The corresponding outputs are A, B, C, D. It's a simple concept of de-mux. Now I draw the block diagram. So block diagram for de-mux. So here I am taking 1:4 de-mux. So input is I. So I is the input. The corresponding outputs are that namely called as A, B, C, D. Then selection lines are S0 and S1. So based on the selection line, the input is connected to A or B or C or D. So here the selection lines are two variables. The combinations of input is four combinations of input 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So based on this four input, the input value is connected to A, B, C, D. So any of the output variables. For example, here both the selection lines are 0 0. So I is the input. So I is the input, S0 and S1 or selection line. The corresponding outputs are A, B, C, D. So based on the selection line, the input values connect any of the output values. So first condition, S0 and S1, both the values are 0 0. The I is connected to A. So A value is I, remaining values of don't care. Then next case 0 1. So 0 1 in the sense, so I value is connected to B, remaining values of don't care. Then third case S0 value 1, S1 value 0. So in this case the I input is connected to C, remaining output variables of don't care, and final case both the values are 1 1. So both the values are 1 1. The input line is connected to D. So D value is I, remaining all the output variables said to be don't care values. So it's a simple block diagram. This one is a truth table for the corresponding block diagram. So using this two we can write the program very easy manner. So let me write the program for 1:4 de-mux. So as usual, first you write module. Then declare the module name. So here module name is 1:4 de-mux. So I am taking this one is the module name. So 1-4 de-mux. So this is the module name. So after writing the module name, you can declare the variables. So what are the variables assigned in the block diagram? That variable you can write it here. So in this block diagram, the variables are S0, S1. So this considered as a selection line. So this one is a I. So I is the input. A, B, C, D. So these four variables are output variables. So let me write here in, then selection A, B, C, D. So these are the variables used in the block diagrams. Then after writing this variable, among this variable you can declare, so which variables are act as an input variable, which variable act as a output variables. So here first I declare the input port. So input in. So in is the input line. The next input. So input is selection line. So this selection line is two variables S0 and S1. So here I am declare in vector format selection. So these two variables are act as input port, then output. So output register A, B, C, D. So A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. So these three statements declare the input and output variables. So after declaration, we begin the process. Always at star. So star is the variable. So in this program, in and selection line is change the output values. Begin the process if selection line equal to tick B 0 0. So here first take the first condition. Selection line value S0 value 0, S1 value also 0. So in this case, outputs are A value input, B value don't care, C value don't care, D value also don't care. So begin outputs are A, assign 1 tick B, in B, assign 1 tick B, don't care, C, assign 1 tick B, don't care, D, assign 1 tick B, don't care, and end. So first condition is over. So S0 value 0, S1 value 0. So in this case, A value is connected to input, B value don't care, C value don't care, D value also don't care. So next we take the second case, S0 value 0, S1 value 1. So else if selection line equal to tick B 0 1. So in this case, begin the function. A value, assign 1 tick B, don't care. Just you check the truth table. So based on the truth table, you can write the statement here. So B, assign 1 tick B, input. C, assign 1 tick B, don't care. D, assign 1 tick B, don't care, and end. The next case, so else if. The third case is selection line value S0 value 1, S1 value 0. So selection line 2 tick B 1 0. So begin A, assign 1 tick B, don't care, B, assign 1 tick B, don't care, and C values input. So C, assign 1 tick B, in. So input, D value 1 tick B, don't care, end. So then the final case, both the values are 1 1. So yes, all the three cases are false, and finally it reaches the final statement, S0 value 1, S1 value 1. So in this case, begin. So A, assign 1 tick B, don't care, B, assign 1 tick B, don't care, C, assign 1 tick B, don't care, D, assign 1 tick B, input, and end. Then end the process. So end, then end module. So end module. This is a simple program to write 1:4 De-mux. So first you understand the concept. So what is the operation of De-mux? So after that you draw the block diagram. So based on the block diagram you can write the truth table. So using these two things you can write the program very easy, man. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thank you.